Hello there, YouTube. Happy Thanksgiving. I don't have any kids coming home today. We're going to have Thanksgiving dinner on Sunday. So I don't think my oldest one's coming home until Saturday because he's got to work tomorrow. And so we'll have, my wife will cook on Sunday. We'll have Thanksgiving. I think he's got to have dinner over at his in-laws' house, which is by us anyway, so they'll do that on Saturday, then they'll come over our house on Sunday. But I just got gas in the Goldwing. Of course, I have the spider up in the air with the rear tire off, getting a new tire. But I've only been getting like 30 miles per gallon on the Goldwing Trike, and I usually get more. I used to get like average like 34 if it's not windy out. I've gotten as much as 36, even 40, believe it or not. But so I put the new air filter in not too long ago, a few weeks ago. But when I ordered the air filter, I ordered spark plugs. So I think the last time I checked my records, because I keep really good records on all the maintenance I do on these things, and even the spark plugs I did last year. So I'm just kind of wondering if I give it a tune-up and air filter and spark plugs, if it'll get back to my, at least 34, 36 miles per gallon. Kind of hoping, but I thought it would do it with the air filter, but the air filter really wasn't even that dirty. Oh, I don't know. I'll put some, I got some, Lucas concentrate fuel injector cleaner, and I've put that in a couple times and don't know if that's actually going to help a lot. Wonder what they're doing up here, building another. God, neighborhoods going in everywhere. And traffic is usually so terrible in this area. I can't wait to get out of here. See if I can get better mileage out of this thing. I have the I charged a drone battery. I've been haven't flown the drone in a really long time. I got one battery that just actually went all the way dead, and I can't even get it back. So I got two left, which is I only need one. But so I haven't flown it in a long time. It's not really windy. So I'll go out to 1431. They're building this. They built this new, I don't know if baseball field or little thing, and it's way out in the middle of nowhere, and I can actually probably hit the lake from where I'm at, so I'll give that a try. Bye. Well, I have an observation. Ever since I've had this air leak in my air ride system, I've noticed that the trike rides are so much smoother on just the shocks and not using the air ride. The air ride just makes it a lot stiffer ride, and you feel all the bumps and you're bouncing around. But when I'm only using the shocks, this thing is so much smoother, believe it or not. I don't feel all the harsh bumps, and just the shocks are working. I mean, I will fix the air ride because I can't pull a trailer without the air ride because it'll drag. I don't think it'd be too much for the shocks, but look at, I'm at 0.0 now, and this thing is just, I noticed that coming back from Caddo Mills several weeks ago, that when it stopped working, that's when I noticed how smooth the ride was. So try that if anybody has, like Jim, if you have the same razor, but try, I told you that I always ran at 30 pounds, but then if you go down to even 10 pounds, you'll notice your ride is so much better, as long as your wheels don't rub inside the thing. And you can adjust the shocks inside there. They twist and they go up and they go down, so you can adjust it up. I think mine are probably midway, but I've noticed it rides so much better with no air. Isn't that that's strange? Bye. Well, you gotta love South Texas. It's November, what is it? It's Thanksgiving Day and it's 75 degrees. I've done this many times. On Christmas Day, it's the same thing, like 75, 77